Alright then guys, a lovely sunny morning to you. We're on a little technical job today. See above this window, we're replacing all the lead and the fascia board. Hope you enjoy. See, it's all tied, it just wants replacing. Casey's setting the scaffolding up. So we'll just re-ground that out, this joint. I'm going to set this fascia board off here and work a new piece to there. We've got some new fascia. So you just love this bit. That's the board screwed to the joists. So next we'll put these returns on, then we'll get the lead sorted. We've put a bead of lead seal on top of the fascia, just as a precautionary measure. And we're going to put our lead in here and then seal it with lead seal. You can see there where all these bricks and this bay's moved over time. Unfortunately it's just sank in a little bit because they've had the windows changed and it's a bit of a settlement. So you can't avoid that really unless you start taking all your brickwork out and then putting it back. We're just going to hold it all in place. I know it's untidy at the minute, we'll finish it off in a bit. We'll get all that nice and level so we can get our lead seal in there. Everyone has heard. Lead seal going in. That delivery bird. What can I say? I've learned that it's true after 9 months of waiting. You're better off using lead seal on a job like this because you've seen all the the joint, it's all over the place, and it's quite thin as well, so if you try and point that, it'll be out in no time and it'll just crack and fall out, so you're better off with lead seal doing jobs like this. As you can see, the lead dips, so we're not happy leaving it like that.
I think it's sagged on it.
We're not happy leaving it like that, so what we're going to do, we're going to trim it. We've run a level line across there. We're just going to carefully trim it with a Stanley knife, and so it's nice and level with the fascia, so it looks right. Nearly the end of the job now, just doing some finishing touches, Casey's sealing up.
Little light of my life, little sun in my sky. Together forever, we laugh and we cry. Come rain or come shine, come trouble and strife, I will be right there, little light of my life. Little light of my life, little light of my life, little light of my life.
Well, there you have it, guys. That's the end of the job. Job's a good one. That's how you replace some lead flashing above a window. It's a very technical job, it's very difficult if you're going to tackle it on your own. Take your time. Turned out good though. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you learned something. If you did, please leave a like rating, don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Catch you in the next one. Oh, shout out to Phil who's looked after us with a bruise. Cheers, Phil.